Hello, welcome to another Teach to Code with Mario. So today we're going to keep using the scanning. What we're going to do in this tutorial is we're actually going to program the slope. So we're going to calculate the slope of a line. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So we're going to do a new project. We're going to do Java application. And we're going to call this scanner slope test. Okay, so I don't know how long it's been since you've worked with slope, but essentially the equation is m is equal to delta y over delta x, which essentially is the difference of the y coordinates over the difference of the x coordinates, which is a fancy way of saying y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Everything we're going to do is in the main method. If you're already telling, we're going to need 4 variables, right? Maybe you're seeing 5. We're actually going to need 6, because what I want to do when we're printing it out, we want to print out the top for the user, and we want to print out the bottom for the user. So for this, we're going to use doubles. So double y2, y1, x2, x1, and then we'll call it m top because m for slope and m bot for m bottom. Next, we're going to have to bring in the scanner. So scanner scan is equal to new scanner. So we do a new scanner object. We pass in system.in into the arguments. And do not forget to import. So from here we need to ask the user for the coordinates, right? So println, let's say enter y2. Let's ask them in order. So y2 was equal to scan.next double. So don't forget to do next double here because we're also working with doubles. Now here we're just going to copy and paste. So we're going to need 4 of these at least. So 4 of these variables are coming from the user. Now don't forget to change things as you copy and paste. x2, x1, so y2, y1, x2, x1. Don't forget to print out what we're asking the user, so all that works with it. You don't want to change the variable and forget to change what you're asking the user for. Happens all the time. But anyways, so from here, we just need to initialize m top. So we're going to say m top is equal to y2 minus y1. And then we're going to say m bottom, let me scroll down a little bit, is equal to x2 minus x1. Alright. So, a couple things can happen with this, right? If the top of your fraction is 0, because remember, overall this is a fraction. It's a difference of vertical component over horizontal. But if we get a 0 upstairs in our fraction, the whole slope is 0. If we get a 0 on the bottom of our fraction, it's called undefined. So what we're going to do is do if. We're going to check for bottom first. We're going to say if m bottom equals 0. System.out.println slope is undefined. Now we're going to use an else if here, so let me scroll down again. So else if m top equals 0, we're going to say system.out.println, and we're just going to say your slope is, and then we'll say 0. Otherwise, Oops, went too far. Else. So if it actually is right, without a 0, well, not right, sorry, but without a 0 in the top or the bottom, say slope is, and then what we'll do is we'll concatenate m top plus, let's do some spaces in the, with the slash, we'll concatenate n bottom. So at the bottom 0, we're going to print right away undefined. If it's not undefined, we're going to check the top and say the slope is 0 next. If neither is 0, then we're going to print out the fraction. So let's go ahead and do it. So 3 minus 2, and maybe something like 4 minus 5. So what did we get? We got 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So beautiful. Let's go ahead and try to make the top 0 now. So let's say 3 minus 3, and let's say 7 minus negative 7. So your slope is 0. Cool. Now let's go ahead and try the bottom. Let's say 7 minus 3. Oh, what am I doing? I'm already doing the equation. I'm trying to do the math. 7 and 3, and then we'll say 8 and 8, right? That gives a 0. So slope is undefined. Cool. So no matter what, we have this covered. Now, what if everything was 0, right? What if the top and everything's 0? Slope is still undefined. So it's always good to run a bunch of cases and see that it's working properly. So this has been how to calculate the slope in Java. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely smash that like and subscribe button. More videos are coming up, guys. Thank you. Bye.